Hi, my name is Jesus Daniel de la Vega Mora, a student of Automation and Electronics Engineering. Today I want to show us the project Bearingware Testing Machine. My classmates are Guevara Monteverde Ismael, Hernández Arias José Eduardo, Hernández Ramos Ricardo, and Linares Pérez José Diego. The teacher of the subject are Agustín Ruiz Lehuacle. The subject are Diagnosis of Mechanical Systems. There is a wide variety of products on the market that offer to reduce wear between elements that work under friction in a mechanism, their performance being unknown or not considered by the buyer. This work consists of an investigation of the effect of anti-wear additives in aceite oil, for which a machine was designed that allows to carry out wear studies according to think block and rig method under the ASTM 2782-02 standard, which served an instrument to carry out tests that allowed characteristic the effect of the additive test. Among the first researchers of friction are Amonthons, Coulomb, and Morin, who postulated that friction is due to the interlocking of mechanical protection or ruggedness on the surface for the materials in contact. Interesting studies of the way friction force is produced has increased. From 1940 on, wear was studied thanks to the development of the nuclear age, in which radio traces devices were created for this purpose. In the code 1, we have a lubrication and wear friction testing machine. The cost of this machine is the $1,674. For the quote 2, we have the FDH 6571 laboratory lubricating oil wear and friction testing machine for valve test method. The total cost of this machine was $32,000 approximately. In the quote 3, we have STM Computer Controlled Universal Friction Wear Tester or tribometer. The cost of this machine are $8,200. For the design proposal, we have a basic analysis for what is commonly observed of these machines. The proposals are listed below: transmission, engine, bearing type, shaft materials, size, box materials, and materials for loading. In the conclusion of the design proposal, we have a smaller machine focused on radial loads with a single-phase AC connection with a pulley drive directed towards a 6061 aluminum shaft. The components are to be protected in galvanized sheet casing. It is worth mentioning that it's only a proposal. You can change your mind at any time. On this slide, we have a Gantt diagram starting in September 11th and final in November 24th. For this design, we have the ASTM D2782-02 standard states that the motor system of the machine must have the following characteristics: mobile specimen diameter 1.9038 inch. For the angular velocity, we have 800 RPM. For the motor power, we have a 2 horsepower. For the radio, we have 1 compared to 10 amplification of lever force. The maximum applied weight we have at 10 kilograms. As you can see here, we have the render of the 3D design proposed for this project. For this project, we must study more mechanical concepts as well as understand each component and its function within the machine. We hope that there will be a prototype with better design and development. Thanks for watching us.